Hey guys, it's Allie here at Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram of Paramus. One of the many great features of the Grand Cherokee L is that it keeps you updated on vehicle health, like when it's time for an oil change. Let's check out the instrument cluster display to learn how to reset the system after maintenance. When it's time to change the oil, you'll hear a chime and the oil change required message will appear briefly in the instrument cluster. When it's time to reset the system, put the vehicle in park. With your foot off the brake, push the engine start-stop button. The ignition will enter the on-run position, but don't actually start the engine. Now using the steering wheel arrow controls, find the Oil Life submenu in the Vehicle Info section of your instrument cluster display. Then all you have to do is push and hold the OK button until the gauge resets to 100%. Features like this make it easy to keep the Grand Cherokee L in great shape. Check it out for yourself at Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram of Paramus.